Casey Gray here from The Conscious Builder, and on today's video we are going to show you what not to do with your Eavestrough. Alright, so one of the big repairs that we had to do on this house was the crack in the stone. And we've realized what's happening here. It was pretty obvious when you went and looked up at it outside, but we basically had a water feature in the house when it was pouring rain the other week. And what's happening here with this roof is that we have two roofs coming together. So that's fine, that's common, right? But where they've directed the water is what the issue is. So the eaves trough on this lower roof is mostly sloped towards the wall. And then the eaves trough on the upper roof is also sloping to that lower roof. So what's happening is that a good portion of the water from the upper roof and half of this lower roof is coming down into that eaves trough and shooting towards the wall, and that eaves trough and that downspout can't handle the amount of water that goes down there. So it overflows, or it freezes in the winter, and then it overflows, and then it shoots all over the rock, and then it freeze thaw, and that's what destroys the stone and basically gives us holes right through the entire house. So the fix to this is to have this lower eaves trough only slope towards one side, so that'll all slope towards the right, and then the upper eaves trough needs to slope away from that lower roof, and then there has to be a downspout on the corner. So then no water will be coming towards that inside corner, other than maybe driving rain, which is common. Glad you watched this video until the very end. If you're a contractor watching this video and you're looking to grow and expand your business, check out consciousbuilderacademy.com. There I have a free course right now called The 5 Things I Wish I Knew When I Started My Business. So once again, consciousbuilderacademy.com and claim your free course.